Hello, I'm Karisa Koenig. Welcome to the Meissner Filtration Product booth here at BPI Boston in the Boston Convention Center, where we are featuring a variety of new innovations and product technology advancements. If you follow me, I'll just walk you through some of them very quickly. Over here we have our UltraSnap filter assembly, which gives you unlimited scope for pre-filtration and final filtration in a single unit. With one inlet and one outlet, the entire unit can be gamma irradiated for plug-and-play installation. If you follow me around here, we have our SGT, single-use gauge T, which allows for pressure monitoring in line on the upstream side. And this all flows into our 100-liter Tepaflex polyethylene bio container, which is deployed in our squared quad drum container on a handy stainless steel cart. If you follow me around to this side, we will look at a couple other innovations. Here is our Cryovault Freestyle platform for bulk drug substance. This is our 20-liter container. We have a 6-liter container, a 20-liter, and a 100-liter container in a platform that gives you end-to-end coverage for freezing, thawing, shipping, storage of your bulk pharmaceutical drug product. One other item I'd like to show you here is featured here is our fill and finish capability. And of special note is our filling needle, which is all polymeric. It has a PEEK, the materials are PEEK and polypropylene, and it is 100% single use. This is for isolator-based filling. Thank you so much for joining us at the Meissner booth. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at www.meissner.com. Thank you.